This first problem can be a challenge, so I want to help you get started a little bit. Here's my advice. It tells us that the measure of arc LM is 84 degrees. Make sure you write that on the picture because we might wind up using that for more than one of these questions. Arc KN, the minor arc, is 116 degrees. So from K to N, it's kind of hard to label because it skips right past J. This whole thing is 116. And that doesn't mean that it's split evenly between those two arcs, so we can't assume anything there. Another thing I noticed when I looked at this picture is that they gave us a diameter. And I always like it when they give us a diameter because we know that splits it into two 180s on that circle, right? So the top half is 180, the bottom half is 180. I don't know if that's super helpful yet. I guess we could figure out how big it is from J to M, right? If this chunk is 84 right here, how far would it have to be from J to M? That whole side is 180, so what does that leave us with? 96 degrees from J to M? That could be useful. One other thing is, do you see this triangle? That is going to be helpful for you. This triangle, first thing is that it has a diameter as one of its sides. And we just talked about how if you have a triangle nestled snugly inside a circle, an inscribed triangle, and the diameter has to be the hypotenuse. So that means that this big angle K up here, the entire angle K, from L to K to J, is a right angle. And that's going to be useful for us too. Same rules apply in a triangle. Whatever this angle and this angle plus 90 are, those would have to add up to 180. So you'll be able to use those little clues to try to figure these things out. Angle JKL, we kind of just did that one, didn't we? It opens up to half the circle, so it's a 90-degree angle, 180 divided by 2. KMN. I'm not going to do all these for you, but angle KMN. Notice that had it been arc KMN, that would have been a totally different thing, so you have to pay attention. Angle KMN, that's has its vertex on the circle, so we'd want to see where does this alligator mouth open up to. And I think, isn't it opening up to this arc KN, and we know the measure of that. So there's my helpful hints to get you